Today, I'll walk you through how to check Cloudflare status, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to verify if Cloudflare is operational so you can troubleshoot any issues with confidence. To begin, let's head over to Google, open your web browser and type in Cloudflare status. This is the first step in our process. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official Cloudflare status page in the results. Now click on the link to their website. This will take you directly to the Cloudflare status page where you can find real-time updates on their service. When you arrive at the status page, take a moment to check the overall status. Look for a message near the top of the page. If Cloudflare is operating normally, it will indicate that all systems are operational. However, if there is a problem, the page may show an active incident or degraded service. This information is crucial as it helps you understand if the issue you're experiencing is related to Cloudflare or something else. Now that you've checked the status, you can determine whether the problem is caused by a known Cloudflare incident. If Cloudflare reports no relevant issues, it's time to continue troubleshooting your website DNS configuration, device, or internet connection. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps remain the same. The key takeaway here is that knowing how to check Cloudflare status can save you time and frustration when dealing with website issues. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.